All right, we got a beautiful update. We did run into a snag. Our boy Sahil over in, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but over in India was struggling with some database stuff with the app. Just his computer's a little bit older and whatnot. So we got my boy Adrian over in Florida. I went to school with this guy. He's awesome. And basically, what we're doing is we're formulating this little team here to get phase one done. And so this is exciting. We're just in the chat talking about, talking about fun stuff like, oh, it'd be cool to, get users on board, get version 2 of the app up where it will have AI and it'll, you ask it a question and it'll actually know the type of person you are. So it'll give you custom tailored advice based on that. But that we already have the sign up page done. So that's cool. The sign up page, name, phone number, email, all that different stuff. But from here, we're just going to start, and this is, again, a little update video, but we're going to start going through the pages. And this is my little drawings of, again, the crappy, I had to do this with my finger on my phone, but this is what the home screen will look like, right? And then you can see, like, what is intentional living? Well, if you ate a bunch of pizza all day and crappy diet, you're probably going to feel like crap. So that wouldn't be very, intentional if you're trying to have a good, intentional life, right? Exercise, aka workout, right? Exercising. The other one's going to be sleep tracking. Like, it's kind of weird. I don't know if any of you have ever, slept during the day and, been awake all night and vice versa. It really just becomes unique on how you feel, but tracking all of that. And then the fourth one that's going to be required is your mental strengthening. Again, your mind can turn against you if you don't practice it. And turn against you means anxiety, depression, also a slew of things. But practicing your mind so you're happy internally and at peace with your mind. The number two is, this is where the 6 check boxes will be yes, no. And then the 6 questions, rate your day 1 to 10. We'll have 6 questions. How did I feel today? How was my mentality today? Just different questions. I was trying to get a motivational. We'll probably do this in version 2, but something motivational that pulls in right here would be cool. So this is the tracking section. And then 3, the write about your day. So you just write about your day and you be very in depth. And again, it's kind of cool because how you write, what you write, all this stuff, not only will you be able to, go back and see it, but you'll be able to hit save and earn for intentional living. And again, going back to this is about creating an intentional living currency. And the currency in the future, the whole premise is to, hey, just by intentionally living, and again, there's going to be 2 goals that you're going to put in. So yes, intentionally living means diet, sleep, mental, all that stuff. But there is going to be some personal goals that you want to care about and achieve, and you'll be able to put those in and track those. And again, this is version 1, so it'll evolve over time. I just want this to be very simple, get it to the market as quickly as we can, and then get 100 users on it, and then kind of get some user feedback. Hey, what should we add? Maybe a feedback little chat box that they can, hey, submit your feedback. What would you like to see in future updates? But yeah, so this is the update. Version 2 will have AI is what we're looking at, to where the LLM, large language model, will be trained to self-improvement, see pattern, all these different things. We'll get into that later on. But little update, super grateful. We found Adrian to add to the team to help us bring this to fruition, just because, again, this whole vision is just, work is about, you spend so many hours working, so why not aligning what you do every single day with what you care about? So, intentional living, baby. Getting 0.01% better every day together. And that's what's cool too, is we'll create a little community based on people that intentionally live. And I won't spoil it now, but there's a lot of cool updates in the future about socializing with people who are on the same level as you. And anyway, we'll get into that. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and here's a little update.